Hello students, I am Dr. Meenakshi Mahur, Assistant Professor, Zoology, Sri Savliaji Government College, Mandafia, Chittorgarh. Today I am going to explain gene expression tryptophan operon. Tryptophan operon, that is a TRP operon, is an operon, means group of genes that are used or transcribed and they together codes for the components for production of tryptophan. The tryptophan was first characterized in E. coli, that is Escherichia coli bacteria, but it is present in many bacteria. When tryptophan is present in the environment, the genes which synthesize tryptophan are not expressed, and this is the how operon is regulated. The TRP operon, that is a tryptophan operon, consists of 5 structural genes: operator, promoter, and regulatory gene. First, tryptophan's 5 structural genes. These are tryptophan structural genes: tryptophan E, tryptophan D, tryptophan C, tryptophan B, and last tryptophan A. They encode enzymatic parts of the pathway. Tryptophan E transcribed and after translation form polypeptide subunits. Tryptophan D, tryptophan C, tryptophan B, tryptophan A. They all make up enzyme for tryptophan synthesis. Then a repressive regulatory gene, that is TRPR. This is TRPR. This encodes repressor protein. First is transcribes and form mRNA, and then after translation a protein is formed which is known as repressor protein. TRPR gene has a promoter here where RNA polymerase binds and synthesizes mRNA for a regulatory gene called a repressor protein. Now, this protein binds to operator. Here, operator. This is operator, which after it attaches to the operator causes the transcription to be blocked, but it doesn't allow transcription. And it blocks the binding of RNA polymerase to the promoter. So see, these are the structural genes. This is a operator and this is a promoter. Promoter is the place where RNA polymerase binds. So in TRP operon, it is a tryptophan operon. Tryptophan acts as a co-repressor and it binds to the repressor protein effectively and it blocks gene transcription of repressor protein. I will explain these phenomena in later slides. So, TRP or repressible operon is an example of negative regulation, or we can say TRP operon is an example of repressible negative regulation of gene expression. So, here you can see when tryptophan is absent, what will happen? If tryptophan is absent, then what will happen to the TRP operon? So first I will explain this. So in absence of tryptophan, TRPR forms mRNA. Why? Because RNA polymerase binds to promoter and forms mRNA. Then after translation, a protein is formed. It is a repressor protein. So there is no tryptophan. So there is no attachment of tryptophan to protein. Okay. So it becomes inactive repressor. So RNA polymerase attaches to promoter and initiates transcription of TRE, TRPD, TRPC, TRPB, TRPA genes. So when RNA polymerase attaches to promoter, then transcription occurs, and there is a polypeptide subunits which make up enzymes for tryptophan synthesis. But what will happen if tryptophan present? So when tryptophan present, again the RNA polymerase attaches to promoter of TRPR, which forms mRNA. After translation, a repressor protein is formed. Now tryptophan is present and acts as a co-repressor. So it attaches to the repressor protein. So it becomes active repressor. Active repressor binds to the operator. You know, here is operator. So if it binds to the operator, RNA polymerase will not be able to form mRNA and will not be able to form this polypeptide subunits. So within the operand's regulator sequence, the operator is bound to the repressor protein when the presence of tryptophan, and this prevents transcription, and it is liberated in tryptophan absence and allow transcription. So because of this, tryptophan acts as a co-repressor. And co-repressor, what is a co-repressor? Co-repressor is a substance which inhibits the expression of genes. So it is an example of negative regulation. Again, I will explain. This is the structure of operon, where these are the structural genes. This is a operator, and this is a promoter where RNA polymerase binds. And this is a regulator gene. Regulator gene forms mRNA and forms protein, which act as a repressor. Then, in absence of tryptophan, inactive repressor doesn't bind to the operator, and RNA polymerase will transcribe all the enzymes which are important for synthesis of tryptophan. Then if tryptophan is present, then tryptophan get attaches to the the repressor protein get attaches to the tryptophan, which act as a co-repressor, and it becomes active repressor, and after that it attaches to the operator. Here this operator, and it doesn't allow RNA polymerase to form RNA. So I want to add one more thing, that many protein coding genes in bacteria are clustered together in operon and serves as a transcriptional unit that are coordinately regulated. And as I told you before, that in the lac operon, that this method, this phenomenon, that is the operon, was proposed by Jacob and Monod in 1961 for the regulation of transcription. So operons are clusters of structural genes which are under the control of single operator site and regulator gene that ensures expression of structural genes, which is caudally controlled. Tryptophan operon is a regulation of transcription of the gene responsible for biosynthesis of tryptophan. I explain again. Tryptophan operon is the regulation of transcription of gene responsible for biosynthesis of tryptophan. Now, tryptophan A, that is A, it encodes for the enzyme tryptophan synthesis A subunit. Tryptophan B, it encodes the enzyme tryptophan synthesis B subunit. Tryptophan C, it encodes for the enzyme N5-phosphoribose anthranilide isomerase and indole 3 glycerol phosphate synthesis. Tryptophan D, it encodes for the enzyme anthranilide synthesis second, and tryptophan E encodes the enzyme anthranilide synthesis 1. So now I want to conclude this, that in the absence of tryptophan, a TRP repressor protein encoded by a separate operon TRPR is synthesized and forms a dimer. And when tryptophan is present, the enzyme for tryptophan biosynthesis are not needed, and so expression of these genes is turned off. So this is all about TRP, repressible operon, which is a negative regulation. Thank you.